Hello, my name is Uwe Forsberg, and I'm the Vice President here at IDCON. Today I'd like to talk about cutoff times for planning a schedule. Maybe you have noticed that many work orders are not prepared as expected. And I think it applies to both weekly work order schedules and the shutdown schedule. It's common to see that operations and maintenance run around the plant right before the scheduled shutdown to add work. So what happened, or what's the impact when you have a late request for work? Well, it reduces the quality of the work schedule. It results in wasted time and effort on the job. I think it's increasing downtime. It could waste planning and scheduling effort. It could reduce the work quality and increase uncertainty in general. And it can make planning very reactive. So one of the ways to manage that is to have a cutoff time for work orders, meaning that work will not be added after a time or a date for this particular schedule. And cutoff time for schedule is used to provide a reasonable opportunity for work requests to be entered and planned, and should reflect the requirements of the operation and the work schedule. So I think this requires a policy and an agreement with the operating functions and maybe other functions with planning and scheduling. Example of best practice cutoff times for an in and outage and turnaround, I would say 8 weeks. A routine monthly one-day area shutdown, 2 weeks. The weekly work order schedule should be Thursday the week before, and for the daily update of the schedule should be 2 p.m. the day before. So for more information, go to idcon.com, and please sign up for our work management planning and scheduling online training August 4 to 6. Thank you very much.